Beats just dropped earbuds so small you might forget they're even in your ears, but the battery life is absolutely insane. These are the Beats Solo Buds, and today we're finding out if these tiny transparent red earbuds are secretly one of the best budget wireless earbuds you can buy right now. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like button so hard your earbuds will reconnect automatically, and subscribe to the channel so you won't lose your earbuds in the couch. I know, right? Dumb joke. The Solar Beats earbuds have definitely caught my eye, especially that red color. But before we go into that, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Today we got the Beats Solar Buds. So we're gonna open it and see what all comes with it. Oh, fun. Got this information. Got this. Okay. Side. The rest is just inserts and additional information. Goes right here. Oh, and the pads. Alright. It's cool with these red buds. You know, just let you guys know that blue is actually my favorite color, but these reds are pretty dope. And I like the transparency of the case. And you got your USB-C port right here. So that's pretty much what you get from this unboxing. Alright, well, let's get right into it. If I'm being honest, these transparent red design earbuds look futuristic, clean, and just cool with a retro touch to it, if you know what I mean. It just gives like really cool vibe. Not to mention how ridiculously compact the earbuds case is. Like, look at this. The Beats Solar Buds are lightweight, true wireless earbuds designed for everyday use, like going to the gym, working in the office, traveling, or talking or taking long phone calls. These things are based and built to go everywhere with you, and because they include multiple silicone ear tips, you can get that snug fit that helps block out side noise naturally. The Beats Solo uses dynamic drivers with a 35 ohm, which gives music that high energetic sound. Let's talk about the battery. You'll get 18 hours of battery life, which means you could literally go through an entire work day, walk around the park, binge dance tech videos at night, and still have battery left. If the battery goes dead, you could get a quick 5-minute charge with your case. The Beats Solar Buds run Bluetooth 5.3, so pairing is quick, the connection stays stable, and overall efficiency is noticeably better. And with up to 100 meters of range, you can leave your phone on the other side of the room and your audio still keeps going without random dropouts. They also connect basically to everything like phones, tablets, laptops, gaming consoles, desktops, you know, all the crazy usual stuff that we use all the time. Now, as far as controls and features, you get touch controls, push button controls, Siri support, voice controls, and built-in volume control that gives you the ability to skip tracks, answer calls, activate your assistant, and control your music without even touching your phone. But overall, the Beats Solar Buds feel like they were designed for people who just want simple, everyday earbuds that work and work well. They're compact, super lightweight, and surprisingly loud and easy to throw in your pocket without even thinking twice about it. You got solid battery life, fast charging, reliable Bluetooth, and that signature Beats sound profile that leaves more fun and energetic than perfectly flat or studio accuracy. And honestly, that transparent color gives them way more personality than most earbuds out there right now. And that's saying a lot. And also, too, some of y'all wondering about the price point. As far as the price point, it's $69.95. And I mean, me personally, if I'm being real about it, I really think it's definitely worth it, especially everything you get and with that compact style. Anyways, but the real question is, will you daily drive the B Solo Buds? Like, I mean, that's a legitimate question. Do you think you can use this daily? I mean, real with you, I definitely can use them daily, and I have been using them daily. And if you made it this far into the video, hit that like button so that algorithm can find and pair successfully for once, and subscribe before one of these tiny earbuds vanish into another couch cushion forever. Well, I know with my lame jokes. Well, guys, I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Well, that's it for me. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.